In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform bank reconciliation in Xero. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or a small business owner, getting to grips with your finances, mastering bank reconciliation is crucial. Let's dive right in and make this process as effortless as possible. To begin, open your web browser and access the Xero website. Once you're on the Xero homepage, you'll need to log in. Ensure you have your login credentials ready, because nothing slows down a work session like scrambling to find your password. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the main navigation menu. Here, you will find various options. For the task at hand, you'll want to click on the Home tab. This will lead you to your dashboard, which is essentially your control center. It provides a snapshot of your business's financial activities. From this dashboard, you can manage and oversee your entire financial universe within Xero. Next, look for the option labeled Reconcile Items. Click on that and you will be taken to a dedicated page that showcases all the transactions needing your attention. This step is important as it helps you sift through the financial data and identify transactions that require reconciliation. Think of it as laying everything out on the table so that you can cross-reference and verify that all is right. The first task here is to review your transactions. This involves checking each transaction listed, ensuring that they match up with your bank statement data. If you notice any discrepancies, don't panic. Xero is equipped with features that can help iron out these issues, making the process smoother and more intuitive. Now, to efficiently find matches for your transactions, you can utilize the Find and Match feature. By selecting this, Xero provides you with potential matches from within your accounting records, streamlining the process by reducing the manual searching needed. This is particularly handy because it saves you time and effort, ensuring errors are minimized while increasing accuracy. At this point, you'll need to select the appropriate account associated with the transactions you're reconciling. Xero is designed to support various accounts, so be sure to choose the correct one to avoid any expense misallocation. Finally, once you've verified that everything aligns perfectly and any necessary adjustments have been made, click on Reconcile. This action finalizes the process, recording the transactions as being reconciled within Xero and giving you the peace of mind that your books are in order. And there you have it. You've completed a bank reconciliation within Xero. By consistently following these steps, you'll ensure your financial records are reliable, accurate, and most importantly, ready for any accountant review or financial analysis. Thank you for following along, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful bookkeeping tutorials.